So time for our first half main event, folks, and this one is absolutely huge. Potentially the biggest match of this man's Ignite Wrestling Pro career. Taylor James, a man that has been with Ignite Wrestling Pro since day one and has been a thorn in the side of everyone he's come into contact with. Be it the Bryant brothers, be it CJ Carter, even Sunset Skip. That's right, folks. Now we play, and now we welcome in his debut at Ignite Wrestling Pro, Michael Oku. As Skip said, folks, one of the most decorated performers in British wrestling right now. Started off the year over in the States at PWG, being part of Bowler. Taking part of the Jericho Cruise. And current Rev Pro Undisputed British Heavyweight Champion. This guy is the real deal, folks. And when I say the biggest test to Taylor James' career here, I do not mean to belittle CJ Carter or the Bryants or anybody else. But Michael Oku, he's built different. Very few people that can make their debut at Ignite Wrestling Pro to a response quite like this. The master of the half crab. Submissions expert, but also high flying. I talk a lot about hybrid athletes. And I guess here at Ignite Wrestling Pro, we like to bring you some of the very best and most exciting performers that British wrestling has today. As the crowd settles down from raining their praise on Michael Oku and berating Taylor James. This match is finally underway, folks, but you can feel the energy in the room right now. And it's thanks to our partnership with Hitting the Turnbuckle that a match like this can take place. It's no coincidence that pairing up with HTTB We sell out, we bring in stars like Oku, like Mills later on. And performers like Scotty Rock that we've already seen tonight. It's a match made in heaven, but so far we have learned from this match that Taylor sucks. Taylor's an idiot. I mean, I'm not going to argue with the fans here. Collar elbow type and a quick snap takeover from Oku. You can see how quickly he drops his hips, lowers that center of gravity, and sends Taylor over with ease. Another collar elbow type and another hip toss takeover from Oku. And so far it has been easy for Oku. Oh, and Taylor will not be fooled again. That was 2 for 2 on the hip toss takeovers. So Taylor coming in will not be fooled again and takes control of this match. Oku ducks behind, goes up, big Hurricane Rana takeover on a drop kick. And again, no matter what Taylor James throws at Michael Oku, Oku has an answer. And folks, that's just why. That's exactly why he's on the radar of PWG, of Jericho and his crews. And exactly why he's a Rev Pro, undisputed British Heavyweight Champion. Accolades like that do not come about too easy. Oku breaks the count. Another chop from the king of the half crab. And Oku so far just toying with Taylor. Oh, another thudding chop right to the rib cage. And it seems right now, Michael Oku is taking out all the frustrations that everyone here at Ignite Wrestling Pro has dealt with over the last 12 months. For Nino Bryan, for Xander Bryan, for CJ Carter. Oh, kicks him off though. Ducks the shot, quick schoolboy roll up, 1-2. Kick out from Oku. Oh, and there's a chop from Taylor. I guess turnabouts is fair play. Helps him up and over. Little stun gun over the top rope. Taylor springs up. Oh, flying forearm from Taylor James. But Oku with the kick out. A sleeper hold, locked in. Essentially, if you want to slow down Oku, taking the wind out of his lungs is not the worst idea. And essentially, if you're Taylor James, you have to find a way back into this match. Because right now, Oku is just toying with you, making you look like a fool, and we know that Taylor James does not want to be made to look like a full big back body drop. Into the pin. Kick out at 2. Snap suplex into the pin. And Oku again with a kick out, and essentially for the first time in this match, we get the chance to see just what Oku is made of. Just how deep he can dig to find the energy to kick out and keep himself in these matches. Oh, big kick to the spine, and you can just hear those frustrations from Taylor James. Says he deserves more than this, more than what he's been getting. Essentially, Taylor James making his debut in the breakout division and going out in the first round.
1, 2, yes!
But just a 2 count, he's getting cocky. You can claim you deserve more, but essentially you have to earn it, my friend. Oh, big uppercut from Oku. And a thrust kick. And Oku up to the top rope. As I said, folks, hybrid athlete. He can fly and he can hit missile drop kicks like no other. Oh, forearm from Oku. And another. And another. Holds on though, reversal and counter for counter. Oh, DDT out of nowhere. And a kick out from Taylor James at 2. You can see the look in the eyes of Michael Oku. You can see the cogs whirring in the brain. We know exactly what he's wanting to go for, folks. Another big PK right to the chest. Springs up. Oh, wait, lands on his feet. Oh, Taylor able to duck a few, grab a few, picks him up. Looking for that fidget spinner. Off the ropes, misdirection right now, trying to line him up. Oh, both men catching the clotheslines in the middle of the ring. Oku looking for that 404. I think James knew exactly what was coming. Both men slow to get back to their feet. And while there might not even be vertical at this point, still got enough left in the tank to be throwing these bombs back and forth. You just see almost as either man throws the forearms, it fires the other up a little bit more. Big uppercut. Oh, leaping Pele kick from Oku. Lands on his feet though. From that German suplex attempt, the agility of Oku on display. Back elbow. Oh, grabs him. Oh, another big chop, and you see Oku just fighting for his life right now. Goes behind. Oh, there's a German suplex. Just snapped him right down on the back of his head. Oh, 404. 404 knee connecting with skull. Brain not found. Springs up. Moonsault. Off the top. 1, 2. Oh, shoulder up somehow, some way. And while Taylor may think he's rolled to safety, I feel that most people know there is very few parts of a ringside area where you can be considered safe from Michael Oku. Is he feeling froggy? Or is he feeling floppy? Oku lines him up. Comes running down. Oh, Fosbury flop from Oku. Landing on his feet. Taking out Taylor James. And soaking up the applause of a sold-out Shenley Road here in Boreham Wood. The crowd want to see it. Michael Oku wants to see it. Then the only person in this room that may not want to see it is Taylor James, but Oku looking to put the final nail in the coffin. Oh, frog splash, but Taylor able to move. Oh, and a hell of a kick in the corner. Picks him up, fidget spinner. Dumped down on the back of his neck. 1, 2. Oh, and Oku with the shoulder up. I have no idea how he was able to do that, folks. But this is why Oku's in the position he's in. Oku able to land on his feet. Maybe if Taylor hadn't been running his mouth as much. Oh, avoids the drop kick. Off the ropes, pops up. Wait. Oh, wait. Sunset flip, but wait. Oku decides he doesn't want the pin because he is the master of the half crab. Sits in, down on the lumbar of Taylor James. Taylor in the middle of the ring, absolutely nowhere to go right now. Scratching and clawing his way on fingertips, just about made it. I feel the damage may have been done though. Taylor James in that half crab for quite some time, folks.
Alright, ref, check him. Check him.
Taylor says he can carry on. We've already seen it with Scotty Rock earlier on tonight, how easy it is to pull the wool over our eyes. Oh, drop kick right on the button. And Taylor James, it was a miracle he could get back to his feet. And Oku puts him straight back down again. And Taylor James is begging right now. And Oku looks conflicted. The crowd egging him on. Goes up. Oh, huge frog splash, but Taylor able to get the knees up. Frog splash down onto the knees. Off the ropes, pop up, power bomb. And Taylor James isn't done. Picks him up, turns him inside out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought that was it. I thought that was it. Nick says just a 2. And again, picks up, going for the fidget spinner again, but counter from Oku. Small package now. 1, 2. Reversal, reversal, reversal. 2. 2. Oh, and again. So close. Oku able to get. Oh my goodness. Super kick right off the jaw. Death Valley driver. Up at the top rope, frog splash from Oku. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and again, what the hell? Taylor James digging deeper than we've ever seen him dig before. And now again, Oku sitting down into the half crab. And Taylor forced to tap. Taylor James forced to tap to the master. Folks, that could be the hardest fight we've ever seen Taylor James put up in the ring here at Ignite. Does that excuse all the things he's done so far? Absolutely not. But in the match of his career here at Ignite Wrestling Pro, Taylor James gave it his all. But Michael Oku proved why his name is on the lips of everybody up and down the country and round the world. It was a good showing from Taylor James, but it was a great showing from Michael Oku in his debut here at Ignite Wrestling Pro. A sign of respect, believe it or not, from James. But Oku, quite the debut. And for Oku, now we play.